Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how you can use ChatGPT to make some money on Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients who need their services. With over 300 different categories of services offered, there's a lot of opportunities for freelancers to earn money. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. This tool has the ability to generate human-like text content, thus giving freelance writers on Fiverr a huge competitive advantage. Let's take a closer look at some of the opportunities. Make money by offering article writing gigs. ChatGPT could be used to easily generate articles on a wide range of topics, from technology and business to health and lifestyle. For example, a client could provide a brief outline of what they're looking for in an article, and GPT could generate a full article that matches the client's specifications. Besides writing articles, you can also sell video scripts writing services. In this example, a client can ask you to write a video script about reviewing a robot vacuum cleaner that has a self-charging feature. Copywriting is big business. Of course, ChatGPT could be used to generate ad copy for various platforms such as social media, search engines, or websites. For example, a client could provide information about a product or service, and ChatGPT could generate ad copy that highlights the key features and benefits of the product. Similar to article writing, you can sell blog post writing services. ChatGPT could be used to generate blog posts for clients. This could include writing posts on a specific topic, creating a series of posts for a blog, or even generating complete blog posts on a regular basis for a client. Social media post writing services. GPT could be used to generate social media posts for clients, such as tweets, Facebook posts, or Instagram captions. For example, a client could provide details about their business, and GPT could generate a series of social media posts that align with the client's brand and message. These are just a few examples of how to make money with ChatGPT and Fiverr. The possibilities are really only limited by your imagination and the specific requirements of your clients. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how you can use ChatGPT to start earning money on Fiverr. Thanks for viewing.